7 Ways to get back to normal after a breakup. A breakup can be one of the most difficult experiences in life, but with time and self-care, you can get back to normal. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Give yourself time. Don't deny your feelings. Cry, be angry, be sad. These are normal. Remind yourself that recovery is a process and may take months. 2. Be with friends and family. Being alone for long periods of time can exacerbate negative thoughts. Spend time with loved ones, even if you don't feel like it. If you feel like you're a burden, seek help from a counselor or support groups. 3. Take care of your body and mind. Exercise, even a short walk, to release endorphins and make you feel better. Don't forget to sleep and eat healthy. A weak body exacerbates feelings of depression. 4. Rediscover yourself. Now is the time to focus on forgotten interests. Reading, art, traveling, or learning a new skill. Set small, achievable goals for yourself. For example, read a book a week. 5. Temporarily cut off contact if necessary. If checking social media or communicating with the other person bothers you, temporarily cut it off and have no contact for a while. No messages, no calls, not even a small meeting, and this way will help you forget the crush a lot. 6. Forgiveness and letting go. Forgiveness, whether of the other party or yourself, does not mean forgetting. It means no longer letting the pain of the past control you and being able to continue your life peacefully and free from mental and intellectual worries. 7. A fresh start when you're ready. Once you feel lighter, you can slowly return to your normal routine or even try new relationships. Remember, sometimes the things we lose actually make room for better things. If you feel like your sorrows are overwhelming or you can't control them, seeking help from a counselor is not a sign of weakness.